Welcome back everybody into another weekly recap. Is the fourth week of June, and what you're looking at screen is the actual only trade that I took this week. Yes, one sell which came up to be a loss, and that's it. Very strange week. We're going to talk about it, but yeah. So we're coming from a public holiday on Monday, so of course no trading. Then Tuesday, I think we're going to look at the psychology journal, no trades. Then I took one loss on Wednesday, three misses yesterday, and I'm taking today off to close off the week. This week was really weird, but I don't want to. I wanted to have a longer weekend in order to come back for the last week of June stronger, and don't really damage my June's performance with some minor and bad trading. So as you can see from my journal, psychology journal, Monday was a public holiday. On Tuesday, I was not able to enter a single trade. I felt like it was a Monday. I was distracted. I was not really in the killer mindset. I was over doubting my setup, and I missed a few wins, and I didn't want to take any trades. So this is something. So from these 2 days, Tuesday and Thursday, something that usually, as you can see, I will miss entries and then take a loss. I didn't want to. I prefer to close off the day with a 0 rather than a minus something. So not able, but at least I did not take any weak trades after all the moves already happened. I am being very much distracted, I have to be honest. Most of the times, since when I'm waiting for the price action, I'm looking at other stuff, which is not inherently bad, because if I have to be patient, I can do other stuff on the side until the price reaches my PSA. But if when the price reaches that PSA, I'm not focused, I'm doubting myself, I'm doubting my setup, and I'm not entering, then it's bad. It's really affecting it. So this was Tuesday. On Wednesday, I had the one loss, so I was ready to do it. I was really fighting to myself, and I was really doubting the setup, doubting everything. And I took one loss and then did not trade. I had multiple trade ideas, buy, sell, which is not good. And yeah, I need to implement this distraction rule, which will happen from next week. Yesterday, already from the start, I didn't even try to trade today. I placed myself in a backtesting mode and never got out of it. I was thinking all the time that I didn't want to ruin my monthly profit, and I don't want to. It's like, yeah, I would love to close the week off already like this, because close the month, because that would mean that it's the first month that I'm closing profitable, and that would be amazing. And the fear of losing these profits already from the second week of June is making actually losing profits. That's crazy. As you can see, I start after this good. I didn't have a single losing day. Then I almost had not a single winning day. Because why? Because it's I'm being affected from it. Still, it's a profitable month. Still, is the first profitable month so far. We're going to see the last week of June, how it's going. But even if it's like something like this, it still be profitable. I hope it is like something like this, hopefully better. But I was really struggling with my thoughts. So I was thinking, okay, I really don't want to fuck up, to ruin my monthly win percentage and my percentage of profit, P&L. As you can see, I published the video, of course, and my trade ideas were actually very good. Even though I would have started with 2 losses, then the price would have moved clearly, and I would have been able to take almost 100, more than 100 pips profits with the 2 losses. So 3 wins and 2 losses. I simply need to be patient and know that it will pay off in the long term. My current struggle is that I'm not really accepting a 50% win rate. It's still hard. That I have to take an entry, and I might take 2 losses the first two trades, and that's okay. It's hard. It's really hard because I keep thinking, okay, I took two losses. Something is bad. I'm trading bad. That's not good, but it's not. It is really is not. Yeah, I will take Friday off. I'll come back Monday after a long reflection and going at it the last week absolutely as good as I can. So, I mean, not much to say about this trade. We would have to talk more about the missed trades. This is usually the high risk high reward. If you saw my last video, these were the last lows. These are the most recent lows. That's okay to take an entry over here because it usually gives a better price setup compared to the old lows. So yeah, it's okay. The only thing is that if I only take this loss, then it doesn't matter, because if I can pop up the actual, let's see, the from the 20th, yeah, if you can see all the missed trades from Tuesday, three missed already, this missed one, this missed, and would be a loss, this miss would be a loss. This is from yesterday. Then this one missed would be a win, this one missed would be a win, this one missed would be a win. So as you can see, this one again, yeah, it doesn't matter to lose one or two trades. The point is that I know that I have around 50% win rate, but I'm still struggling to think objectively about it. Or thinking, okay, this loss is 50%, this win is 50%. It doesn't really matter individually. They only matter on the long term. After 100 wins, after 100 trades, that would be 150, probably around 50 wins and around 50 losses, and that's great. That's absolutely, with a 3-to-1 risk to reward, that's absolutely amazing actually. So that's something that I really have to focus on psychologically. Still, this is the month so far. I'm still up 8.87%, which is great. I mean, I've never had a profitable month yet, so that closing the month even like this would be amazing, would be a huge achievement. If I can close it at 10%, that would be amazing. But yeah, still, as you can see, I had a first week that was really, I mean, up 13%, and then I struggled to keep it up, especially due to the thinking. I was thinking a lot about this, so I went up 97 euros, which is exactly that 13%. As you can see over here, so far 8.87%, and in the first week I was up 13%. So we were coming from a 50% win rate, 75% win rate the second week. Third and fourth week, that's when I was actually struggling. 1 win, 5 losses, and 1 break even. And yeah, this week only 1 trade is actually not good. Still up 8.87%. The only thing that I'm not really okay is that this 8% is due to the almost no trading of this week, and not about trading normally and then having this result. So that's not healthy, not a healthy habit. And let's see the last week. I hope that I can manage to have a good one. And yeah, even if it was like the last week, how would it be? Yeah, will still be a profitable month so far. Not good because it's only a 30% win rate, but still will be a profitable month. Yeah, even though it's a losing week. So still, I only have to come back into next week normally and trying to trade my style, trade my setup as clean as possible, not forcing anything, not being afraid of many things. So yeah, that's basically it for this week and so far for the month. So I mean, if we want to see this week, I was down 1% because it's only one trade. So yeah, 1%, and it's okay. But I really want to trade normally and professionally. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.